Hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to plan for the month of March and I'll be doing it in my Erin Condren 8x10 Softbound, and this is an hourly planner. And I'll be using the Coffee Monsterz Co kit. The theme this month is Daffodils and it's really gorgeous with the yellows and greens. So this is page 1 and it's the regular size. You can get it in Hobonichi as well. I think you can get Hobonichi weeks as well. I can't remember off the top of my head, but this is the regular. And then this is page 2. And then finally page 3. So plenty to work with. And speaking of plenty to work with, I have some add-ons. So we have the sticky note add-on for March and the 1.3 inch labels, as well as the washi strips add-on. You get one of the stationery theme, 2 of the floral theme, and then one, well, it's floral as well, but it's emoji heads and flowers, and it's kiss cut around the heads. I also have, and I've picked these off the sticker paper and put them in here, which are the seal that matches it, the little art piece that comes with that label, and then all the washi paper stickers. Finally, I have this little art piece. I like to do an art piece on the first page because I don't need it for anything else. And this is printed on sticker paper because if you didn't know, Helen kindly released all her journaling cards that she gives out in digital form. So I was able to buy this one and now I can print it as many times as I want. And I thought this wee one was gorgeous. It's the only one I've bought so far. And I do definitely want to go back and get more. So I'm using that as my art piece this month. So let's do the art piece page and put down all the base for our month. And then we can get to planning.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. I got you, we don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me.
There we are. I usually put this down the side, like there's February, so I usually put it down here. But I just felt it didn't look right with these being sideways, and then it worked out well because I needed to cover this section that are February's days, so I just put some more of the MT washi down the side. There, yes, anyway, right, let's put the plans in. And the first thing I need to do is actually mark the continuation here and here and this week of my time off work. And in February I did it with my new washi. The purple version came, by the way. Here I had the pink version, the baby pink, which was the original version that she did. Here I was accidentally sent a different washi. If you watch my hauls, I've talked about that. But this is the one that I had ordered, the pale purple. It's gorgeous. And I used it for February, like I was saying, to mark that. So because I don't need these to do the empty space, I'm going to use it to actually mark the time off. So let's do that first.
All the scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow, all we need is each other. Come take my hand.
Events. This is International Women's Day. Let's put them in first. And I have them. These I use for the weeks and this I use for the month. So let's take this little International Women's Day. Let's just do one day at a time and not jump around. I say I'm going to do that every month and I never do. So let's just do. I have nothing to put in these just yet, and this is International Women's Day. I'm going to write it in. This is Zebra Sarasa Vintage Clip in a grand barrel, and it's the dark grey. And then I'm going to get a little label, and no, I'll get a green one because that's orange against orange. Because I have to go see the doctor, and she might extend my leave or she might say it's fine to go back or whatever. So I have a Hubman and Chubgirl doctor's appointment in health and self-care. This one here I'm going to use, and I actually don't remember the time. I feel like it's 10 o'clock, so I'm going to have to ring on Monday and ask. Like, I have a planner and I don't write things down. It's so silly. And then I end up wondering what date it is and having to ring. I do the exact same thing with my hair appointments. Only this time I learned my lesson, and as soon as I came home, I wrote it in my little here. This is a Tomo River Paper Daily Planner from Hubman and Chubgirl. I use it alongside this. Sometimes I don't use it, sometimes I do. It's just when I need the extra bit of daily planning, and the monthlies I use as a pre-planner to scribble everything down so that I can put things in advance, because I don't set this up until closer to the time. Anyway, I'll leave that blank until I know the time. So that's that. And then the 10th is Mother's Day. So let's do a little tiny icon for Mother's Day in here. And then it's my brother-in-law's birthday here. So let's use a label. Let's use yellow because it has to go against the orange again up at the top. And a little balloon. Just put that over the date. I don't like that. I need to move it over. That's better. Then nothing until here, which is my little niece's birthday. So same thing. Let's do the orange one this time. Oops, I've stuck that on the paper. That's okay. And no, this poor label's getting neglected because the balloons are orange, so I want to do green. And then I'll stick this here on the 20th for payday, sure. Move it down to the bottom, I think. And the balloons here for the birthday, and this is payday, so let's use a little money label. And then, as well as that being payday, it is the first official day of spring. Woohoo! Let's pop that in. And then we have another event here, Good Friday, and that comes on the additional add-on rather than the main event stickers. As far as I can remember, it's on the UK add-on. Yes, so the 30th is my older sister's birthday, but there's only 2 sets of balloons, so we'll do the yellow label, and then I have a little yellow balloon. Let's just use it, even though that label's yellow. I don't have blue and I don't want to use pink. Yeah, just using yellow. This is from the same sheet. Instead of writing the birthdays in, now you just get that. Although I have to be honest, I do prefer, like this was last year's, I had an extra one for 2023 and I'm going to use it this year rather than writing here because I love it's my birthday. But anyway, yep, so that will go there for Laura's birthday, and then I'm getting my hair done. And I actually took a note of it this time. I've just realised I haven't pre-planned and wrote in my nail and lash appointments. That's good. I'll have to check the app in a second. Let's use this one. Looks like a post-it to write the time, and then that already says hair appointment. So I can just write at 12:15. And then Easter Sunday. Pop in our little icon. Right, and then that would have been me done if I'd remembered my nail appointments. So I have 2 appointment stickers and I'm just going to use them. I'll look at the app now and get them popped in. Now we're done. Perfect. So all that's left to do is my dashboard page. So this is currently watching verse of the month, journal themes, this theme, which is where I put the little seal, and then weekly themes, just for fun. So we'll get that all set up now.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
There we are. I'm all set up for another month. I love that. Love how it turned out. Really looking forward to... Oh! Spring! The all-important clocks change. How could I forget? Spring forward. 2 a.m. in the morning. How could I forget? It is 5:20 and it is dark outside. And I'm sitting with these lights on here. As you can see, the shadow, the light above me doesn't work, and I have the blinds opened, and everybody that walks by is looking in because I'm sitting with lights on in a front room and the blinds open. Oh, I can't wait for the lighter nights and to move upstairs. But anyway, so yeah, that is me for today. Thank you so much for watching and take care. and I will speak to you really soon. Bye.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows.